One of our brother Njimaki Emevida, and you know ebe Kitunu ga phone our brother bo Philip Emma Gwale, Mamuna Pua, the computer wizard, onye on the child, Aussie America, Amuliana Akure, Yotago. Now, one of our brother Biana in boss, Mama Nega for this video. On a column that no way some things in the science ada why, I found hide the lie some things. Ịghọtago ka na ọ bụ na afa gwacha anyị ife niile concerning science and technology, it means that na ya ma na-agbakwutezi fa. You understand me? Na ọnya kpatara ndị sayensị ji wee hide ya some certain things for anyị nwa. Do you understand me? Nwanne m, o nwere ife sayensị na hidele gị. Ịma be anyị bụ na so many of us ga-anọrọ na one corner anyị na-assume something na-abụrụ eziokwu. Do you understand me? Make good use of your Google. Draw Google how many countries are manufacture apron today. Do you understand me? Japan now manufacture apron, China, the same thing in Germany, UK, America, and so many other countries. All the cook India self for super. Now, the scientists in America, can even hide in China. Science and technology is one globally. What if I hide again? If you want to go into a space, aviation, something, you will go and study. When you find out about aerospace engineering or aerospace manufacturing, or you know, na university, every guy study for. I think in Ibo, so therefore, you study. Now, one night, I get now, Philip, can even the science hide the Yoji way win Chama award concerning computing. A program or the fastest computer this thing. So can if I hide earlier. Man, if you develop it, Philip, Emma, in America, because now you want a better society. And no, a back our own putana malu to Naka. One number see have a better society. If only if I call about spirituality for cabbage. Iyo bonada na science may beginning only temperate, only testing time ya, only everything. You need now is stages before how when result. Or but if I want to catapult me and I am put a banana gwagi. And the science and technology human being always pay attention to nature. Nature, na mmadụ nweta result. Ọ bụrụ na spirituality, nature, na human being nweta result. Unu attaches na all these things na spiritual. Nke nwanne before ihe nwanne eme na ọ ga-emegodo na spirit. Even na about assumption and the belief system you want to prove. You cannot prove it. Do you understand me? I have explained to you people here that science and technology can survive, can exist without spirituality. But spirituality, the one I practice here today, cannot survive without science and technology. It have a fact. Being honest with you. Now, the reason one night work able Philip Emma got if you want to know more about him, make use of your Google. Kakawali going Philip Emma Gwale. A bad them on effort. But na superstition and the fiction now and the illusion now no Juroniana na Nigeria. But eba for one name lose other there. You got to go if you read that no one if I in half and more and no if child away many if manufacture the prem na buy. Gwagodu mo fi even one aka spirituality invent go and use globally. Inwa boni bona aka spirituality. Abro so na aye chua jana mmiri. Aye je n'ụzọ gbara eto. Aye je lolo ọrụ aka n'ogori. Aye je le gị ikwu nne gị. Aye je nye ndị ichie nne. O nwere ihe ọzọ unu na-akọ. Na-apụta na n'ife a unu na-akọ biko.